Hey everyone, I am Emir from Ingonyama and I'll show you how to use ICICLE-Snark and how to switch between devices like CPU or GPU. We first need to build CUDA backend. Now we need to run these three commands. Now we need to define this environment variable so code can use the ICICLE CUDA backend properly. So to run the ICICLE-Snark, you have multiple options. You can run the ICICLE-Snark in worker mode, but I'll show you how to use it in a Rust project, and we have example Rust project under the examples folder. Now let's run this example project. Let's build first. Set the device to CPU first. Okay, on average on the CPU it takes approximately 30 seconds. Now let's switch to CUDA backend and okay, on the GPU we get 600 milliseconds on the average, and you can see the other benchmarks on the screen right now, also the specs of the setup I am executing this benchmark. And in the future you will be able to replace this CUDA with Metal and run the ICICLE-Snark on your MacBook.